part 39. Yes, sir. We have our both indicators, our RSI and our CCI. Somebody told me that I should care about my videos and their quality, but me, I don't. The point of the video is the trading method and not what I'm actually doing in the video. So let's go. Last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline, RSI, CCI. If both indicators are up, then we buy. If both indicators are down, then we sell. Right? We try to make a trade every minute. Well, we are going to make a trade every minute. Currently, the profits are at 27%, which is good, I guess. So yeah, we buy here for 2, we up to 4, and we wait. Right, so yeah. Ta 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 ta. Life is fun, you know? Like, life is really, really, really amazing. It's currently 1:51 a.m., 151, you feel me? And it's appreciate everything that life has to offer, even the bad things, because that's a dub. First trade for the day is a dub. We'll try to do 10 trades, so I'll do that. So yeah, appreciate life for everything. So it's the same thing, RSI, CCI, both indicators, halfway points. If they're under, you sell. If they're above, you buy. Higher, lower, right? Buy, higher, lower, sell. Oh, it's tiring, I'm tired. I am not tired, I'm full of energy. I'm energetic, I am amazing, and I am extravagant. So we up to 4 next. Right. So the best thing about the trading method is if one loses and you do the other. So if 2 loses here, then we do 4. If 4 loses and you do 9. If 9 loses and you do 19. If 19 loses and you do 41. If 41 loses, then you do 89. 89 loses 191. 191 loses 410. We're doing not binary digital because digital profits are always more than binary. Kind of tired. So yes. 16, 15, last 5 seconds we make a trade. You see that $4 gives you back $2.48, which is your $2 back plus $1.48 back. So here both indicators are under their respective halfway points. So we sell, which is absolutely amazing, absolutely extravagant, is beautiful, and to appreciate the good things in life. I was chewing in one of the, I think it's part 37 or 36, I was chewing. And I mean, I'm eating, bro. Do you not eat? Do you not know what eating is? I'm sorry. I'm being aggravated. Anyway, 784. So 4 and 2 is $6.84 profits of this trade. So you always end up in profits. The best trading method on this planet. You use losing to your advantage, and the more you lose is the most likely you will win. Try to lose as much as possible. Both indicators are above their respective halfway points. Well, at least CCI is higher than RSI, so we buy for 19. If 9 loses, we do 19. So we buy for 9. 19 would give you back enough profits to make more than $15. Life is just absolutely amazing, sir. Just to work on it. Every day you wake up, work on it. Yeah, it's good. It's really good. So yeah, now we win, we go back down to 2, and we repeat that process over and over and over again, and we've conquered the market. Digital trading, digital options put into a bag. What are you afraid of? Somebody told me that no trading method works forever. Well, buddy, this isn't a trading method, this is a life lesson. Right? This is what you do in life. You lose as much as you can and you will win. Sometimes you don't lose one, two, three, four, 5 times in a row. Sometimes you just lose 2 times. And yeah, it's losses, but when you win and you make back a lot more than you lost. So the more you lose is the more you will win in the end. The only time you ultimately lose is if you give up. If I decide that, hey, I lost 5 times in a row, let me stop trading for the day, then I will inevitably lose. That's when you lose. Well, if I decide to keep going, which is the trading method, which is how the trading method works, I will win. And that is the beauty of it, my friend. To never give up, eh? To never give up, even in times of discomfort, to never stop, never ever stop. But we fail to realize that we're going to die. You are going to die. So, how about you stop being afraid to lose, right? Because ultimately, you will lose everything, and everything means the only gift you've been given, your life. It's the only thing you came here with. And in the end, you lose that thing. So, how about you start utilizing the gift of life and experience as much as possible? And ultimately, that would mean you take from the tree of life, which is new experiences and knowledge. And since you have the knowledge of good and evil, you stay to the good, you stick to the good, and you experience new things and you try to know more, because the more you know, the more you can do, and the more you can do is the more experiences you have, and the more experiences you have, my friend, is the closer you will get to God. So live. Don't be afraid to live, because you will die whether you live or not. And the best possible option is to live. So if you crave death, just know that death would come. If you don't crave death, know that death would come. I mean, we do have the potential to stop death if we wanted to through trial and error. So that's another dub. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. We'll try to go to 10. So that means we trade 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. So yeah. So 2, we move up to 4, and we wait. Absolutely. It's beautiful, isn't it? The quietness, the stillness of the night, the crickets chirping, the toads croaking, the silence of night. Oh, trying to yawn, it's just so beautiful. To be a part of the universe. The universe is just one big reoccurring theme, and just as how atoms form and forms look like planets and galaxies, the galaxies form bigger planets and bigger galaxies. And ultimately, just as how you're experiencing the universe is experiencing itself. And you're a part of that big experience. You're a part of that knowing. And I think we should tap into that energy more. Tap into what you really are. Infinite potential for infinite creations and infinite possibilities. If you adjust things, there's infinite numbers of ways that you can go, and that, my friend, is the beauty of the universe. The single candles make up the whole chart. The single life forms make up the whole entirety of existence. Every germ is important, every molecule is important. one molecule out of space and you would have a problem. Out of place. Also, that was not a tongue twister, that was a Freudian slip. One molecule out of place and we'll have a totally different type of existence. Everything is exactly where it needs to be. And you would say, oh, there isn't free will. There kinda is. You can either flow with or flow against, and that's your free will. Free will to do what you please in a way that is either pleasing to what's happening or it isn't. You can either go with the currents or against the currents. You can either fly with the winds or against the winds. You can either play with your team or against the team. It's your choice. Ultimately, you decide. So here we do 4, and it's for humanity to not destroy itself. Given that it would only take 10 nuclear weapons to destroy the entire Earth, and we have 13,000 of them. We should be more careful with what we do and what we have, because we fail to realize that things don't always go in the way they're planned. And that wouldn't happen. I am hoping to God we don't cause that. That's religious warfare. We need to change, we need to change, we need to implement change right the fuck now. Because if we don't, people will die. I mean, people has been dying for years. Religious and political prosecutions. Come on, bro. Give me my buy. I bought right there. Because the Wi-Fi is bugging, eh? So yeah, we'll buy again for 9 on the end of this deadline. Oh. So yeah, this is not optimal. How do I... where are you, bro? Right here. 5 minutes, really? I hate to have to stop here, bro, but it is what it is. Just know that this trade would have won, or either if it didn't won, it would have at least went up to about 89 and won. But you know, infinite trading method, part 39 has ended in our first loss, which is $456. You can count it as a loss, you can count it as whatever. But yeah, this is our first loss of the infinite trading method. GG.